Hello guys, my name is Chanu, SAP FICO and S4 HANA Finance Trainer. Today I would like to share you one important information. This is about how to find the particular variant and program details in SAP. If you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified with many of my videos very soon. Okay, let's understand this concept. So assume that I have one variant. This variant name is BP01. In real time, we need to create a number of variants. So for that variant, what is the program is associated, that I need to find out. So variant is there, I need to check the program details, right? Or if you do not have variant and you need to check which variant you are created earlier and how we can display this information in table level, let's check it out. So just go to SC16N and here just give the table name VARID. So VARID is just like variant information we can see. Just enter, you can see variant directory. So all the variants will be there in this table. So how many variants you have created in your system. So if you want to check specific variant details, you can also give in this place. I'm not giving any specific variant details. I need to check the program and variant details because I have forgotten the variant name actually. So real variant name is BP01. That was I created, but I need to check which program is associated with that variant. So remove this 500 and let's check how many entries are there. So 5485 entries are here. That means 5485 variants have been created in this system. Now just execute. So in this variant I need to check BP01. So this is the variant I created and what is the program is linked with this variant. So this program name in variant key. Okay. So just go, just select this and go to variant name. Just type down BP01. Okay. So BP01, this is the program name in variant key BU PDT RK. So this is the program is linked with this variant. So thank you very much guys for your support. This is Chanu SK and if you are not subscribed my channel right now, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be get notified many of my videos very soon. So thank you very much for your support. This is Chanu SK signing off.